Assalamualaikum. How are you kids? I hope you will fine. Welcome to my channel Grow Your Kids. Today we are learning about phonics sound A to Z. Let's start. A, B, B, K, K, D, D, E, F, F, G, G, H, H, E, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, O, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, R, S, S, T, T, A, V, V, W, W, X, X, Y, Y, Z, Z. I hope you enjoy the video. Like this video, subscribe for more video. Thank you.